Alright, so we're at the base of a little waterfall. You can see oxidization, Vuggy Quartz. So these rocks are argillitic, weakly schistose rocks. They haven't fully metamorphosized yet. What it looks like. So you can see all along here you have small little pockets of oxidization all along here, all over here. So my guess is most of this has leached out, especially with the running water. Probably sulfides, based on the area. We're in an area where there's a deposit and it contained gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc. Primarily, you can just see the voids there. So what we want to do anyway is take a sample of the quartz, probably from here, and just catalog it. Shows you the power of water, though, able to remove all the mineral. So about here, your oxidization stops. It's pretty interesting.